Hey, welcome guys to Dinyal Cubing In. Today I'm going to teach you how to do finger tricks. So we have a set of finger tricks. R is finished your wrist for the R, R prime, and for the upper layer don't do like this. You can do like this or like this. You can use your index finger to move the U layer, and then F for you can use the F for you can use the like this ring finger. Use your ring finger or your pinky finger. Okay, if you don't know how to read moves, check out my read moves video on the link in the description below or in the end screen. So M prime M. This is you can use your middle finger. Here this is you can use your middle finger to M prime. Okay, wow. Next is X for you can do like this. For the you can use your right index finger or left index finger. This is simple F12 simple finger tricks. Next is advanced finger trick. So for advanced finger tricks, we can use the index finger and push like this using your left index finger also. After that, what we can do is for the you also another advanced finger trick have while being going up. As you can see, I hold my index and thumb over here to do a U move. This is called pinch. This is called pinch finger trick, and this very difficult to perform. So that is why this is an advanced finger trick. For D, you can use your ring finger or pinky finger to push, or just use your ring finger to use the D move. For M, instead of going up like this, you can push to come down, push like this, which use your middle finger. And then here for S also we can push, I think, yeah, use your full ring finger, middle finger. So yes, and then we can do it like this also with our middle, with our index finger also. It's your preference on what finger you want to use. And for back also we can use the ring finger. In your case it's front, so we can use the ring finger to push it, and then we can use the index finger to push it also for the front layer like this. That's it. Thank you. Bye guys.